Hello guys, today we will learn how to normalize the data and give the rank on the basis of normalized data. Generally in corporate world we enter in a situation where we need to give rank basis the percentage of that data that lies in. So basically what I mean to say here is if the data lies in 0 to 20%, we give it rank 1. If it lies between 0.2 or 20% to 0.4 or 40%, it gets rank 2. Similarly, 0.4 to 0.6, 100%. Okay, so if this is the situation, then what we can do is we can go here, normalize this data. Now I have a blog on this. Just check out the description, go to the blog and read the various method to normalize the data. We'll go for first method, and which is minus minimum of all the values upon my maximum or upon my minimum of all the values. So we'll find maximum all the values and minimum for. Right. Since we have found this, we'll go for the first method. Minus minimum. Make sure you freeze it on by maximum. Minimum. We'll copy this. Let's check whether now it falls between range 0 to 1, which essentially means 0% to 100% of the data. Now, in order to find the ranks, what we'll do, we'll make a new range, which is 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and 1. For now, just follow what I'm doing. You'll understand it in a bit. We'll use index and match. What's the array in which we want to look into? That's this. Make sure you freeze it. Then what's the row? We want to return the rank. So rank is in second row. What we're gonna match? We will match according to the columns, because columns set the criteria in this. Lookup value will be this and lookup array will be this. Freeze it. Now this is an exact match. This has to be either less than or greater than. The way we have made the ranges and the respective ranks that has been given is can be useful. Less than, we'll use less than. It's down last row. And let's see. So according to our according to method 1, since it had 1, it's getting 5 fifth rank. 3 as well. Since it lies between 40% and 60%, which is basically this range, it was getting 3%. Let's just change something manually. Let's do what, look, it changed to the right. This proves that our method is working just fine. In order to use other methods, I'll just show the calculation how to use those methods. One of them is x upon by maximum of the entire data, which will again, and we can use this for our ranks. There is one more method which uses z-score. So for z-score, we'll calculate mean of the entire data. We also calculate standard deviation, and then ranks for these can also be calculated. There will be a bit of differences or contrast between the ranks that has been calculated using either of the methods. Now it's upon you to decide which method suits best for you. Also, the most commonly used method is the method 1, which is x minus x minimum of all the values in the data upon by x maximum minus x minimum, which is maximum of all the values in the data and minimum of all the values in the data respectively. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that it keeps us motivated to make more videos and write more blogs. Bye bye.